Shakas, Aloha Crafty friends, it's Maka from Maka's Home. I'm here today to do a little share. I'm getting ready to send out a swap that I participated in. It's a Galentine's loaded envelope swap. And so I've included some handmade items as well as some store-bought items, and I'm stuffing this envelope, getting ready to send it out. I would first like to welcome all my new subscribers and welcome back any returning crafty friends. I have been asked to join some amazingly talented YouTube crafters in a Galentine's loaded envelope swap. I will leave links to their channels below. Aloha ladies, can't wait to watch all of your shares. I'm so thankful to be in this collaboration with all of you lovely ladies. You should check out these ladies for more creative ideas and inspiration. This swap is being hosted by Tree from CraftOn and Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. They're both here on YouTube. There are 11 of us in this swap, and our names were drawn and paired up. So, like, I'm not sending to the person who sent to me, if that makes sense. I was paired up to send my loaded envelope to Robin. She is from Krafts I Heart here on YouTube, and I hope she loves everything I created for her. I'm also anticipating receiving a loaded envelope as well. Stay tuned for that video. I'm sharing that one tomorrow. So let's get into this. Just a little share of what I stuffed in the envelope. And so I did gift her some of these rosettes. I did share a video, I believe. I'll leave that link here. And then I also did share with her some of the tulle glittered bows that I had made. And I did make a video for this as well. I will leave that link here. And I'm also sharing with her some handmade cards that I made. There's other goodies that I've stuffed in the bag, but I'll let her share that on her channel. So go look for her channel in my description box below, as well as all the other ladies who are participating in this Galentine's loaded envelope swap, so you can get all the inspiration you need for crafting. So that's all my share for this swap. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the amazing ladies again who are participating in this swap. I hope you are having a crafty day. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing with a crafty friend. And you can find more videos like these. Until my next video, shakas!